Hi, this is Brian Oliva at Getsemani Music. Moments ago, Moog released Firmware Update 1.8.1, which takes care of most of the preset issues that were identified from 1.8.0. As it turns out, when they were tweaking some of the MIDI learn processes, somehow the oscillator sync settings got trampled in certain presets, and that caused all kinds of havoc. 1.8.1 fixes about, I'd say, 98 or 99% of those issues, and I'll show you some of the presets that we were looking at before and how they sound basically the same now that they've been fixed. There's still a couple outliers out there, not related to oscillator sync, but the number of patches that affects is very tiny, and one of the ones I highlighted previously is one of those. I'll show you that one more time. But for all intents and purposes, this takes care of the majority of the problem. They're still working it. There will be a 1.8.2 sometime in the not too distant future. But for now, 1.8.1 is usable, I think, for 99% of the population. So check it out. Decide yourself, and you can always go back to 1.5 if you need to, but I think 1.8.1 is in pretty good shape at this point. So let me know in the comments. Talk to you later.